Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, the video for today is going to be very different and interesting for you all, I hope. And so I remember how I posted like 2 video ideas on my Instagram, and so many people voted for this. So it's me trying hyped products from Amazon. Now I mostly have beauty related, like I have skincare and hair care and body care. One body care, yeah, I have like I have like 5 to 6 products. And I know it took me a while. It was a long time ago, and products like these like need time to test out, so I took my own time and I finally gotten around to film this video for you all. I hope you enjoy, and most importantly, I hope you find this helpful. And all of that being said, let's dive right into it. Okay, the first product that I have is like a conditioner, and this is the Matrix Biolage Smooth Proof conditioner for frizzy hair. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna insert like a close-up. The price of this is 180, and you get 98 ml gram of product, which is pretty good. Okay, so how many times have you seen ad on Instagram, on YouTube, by so many bloggers and YouTubers? At least of all of the YouTubers I watch, Indian YouTubers I saw this like a shampoo, a conditioner, and like a serum. To be honest, I've used this 3 or 4 times. Hair care products do not usually work for me. Like, it's very hard to find something that suits my hair, but this one is really good. I don't know how well. So if the conditioner is good, I'm pretty sure that if you use a shampoo, conditioner, and serum together, it's gonna be even better. But I really liked this conditioner. Like, makes my hair so soft, so manageable, shiny. It makes it really shiny. And actually I've used is, as you can see, you can't really see, you can't really tell, but this is the conditioner that I've used, and I find it really good. What I noticed is that the consistency of this is a little bit thin. Usually conditioners have like a very thick and moussey texture, right? But this one has like a little bit thinner consistency. So yeah, this one is a thumbs up from my side. Okay, since we are talking about hair care, the next product that I have is, tell me you haven't seen this. So this is the L'Oreal's Dream Lens shampoo and conditioner. I'll tell you the price of this. So this is a shampoo is for 150 rupees, which is really good for this, for 192 ml product, which is really good. And a conditioner is a little bit expensive. It is for 209 rupees, and the quantity is the same. So how many times have you seen ads of this? I've seen so many YouTubers. Again, this was a mass campaign. So many YouTubers were talking about this, and they also had like a no cut cream or something like that. I wasn't expecting this much of quantity, but the quantities, first of all, the quantity is really good. It's really affordable, I feel. First shampoo and conditioner I used, and in fact the first product I ever used from all of these was this, and I have to say I used this one more than the Biolage one. My verdict of this is that I use this, I think it's been a month since I got these products. I'm not really sure. I'm so bad at keeping track of time. You can say that I've used this for like a couple of weeks, and oh my god, I love this. The one thing that impressed me the most is that it thoroughly nourishes my hair. Usually my hair is like very dry and very frizzy, and whenever I use shampoos and stuff like that, my hair becomes even more dry. So but this one really moisturized my hair, like, and trust me, this is worth the hype. I really liked this shampoo and conditioner, and I'm gonna definitely continue using this. I love it. I love it so much. So if you're confused as to get this, definitely go for this. I'm sure you're not going to regret. The way I forgot to tell you the smell of this. The smell of this is also really good. Now, to be honest, the first time I smelled it, like kind of a cough syrup, and ironically, during that time, I was having cough syrup, so it kind of smelled like that. I don't know what is with it, but but now that I uh, smell it, it smells, especially the shampoo smells kind of like that. Like, kind of, I might be wrong, but in my opinion, it smelled like that. But now that I smell it and I've gotten used to it, I really like the smell. It smells amazing. So yeah, your hair is also going to smell amazing. Oh, we have another hair care product. Like, I didn't realize that I have so many hair care products, but I wanted to put it out there that I have shown this in my Nykaa haul. This is the L'Oreal's Extraordinary Serum. Again, how many ads you've seen of this? Like this one, I shown this like months ago. I think it's been like 5-6 months. I still wanted to put it out there because this is a hyped product and it was available on Amazon. So I just wanted to put it out there because I've been using this for like months, you know, like 5-6 months, and oh my god, I love it. That video, you can go and check. I said that I love it so much. I loved it in the first go also, and I still love it. So again, like so many ads on this, so many promotions on this, so many campaigns on this, but oh my god, it's worth it. Like I think this is the best serum I've ever used until now. And just L'Oreal just does it. I feel like their products are really good, and this has like a very thick oil serum sort of a consistency. You can apply it on wet hair and on dry hair also. I mean, I've applied it today, and if you have like all the flyaways you get and the really frizziness, it just makes my hair so soft and so shiny. I just love how this makes my hair. So yeah, this is again like worth the hype. Okay, last I have like two products left. One is body care and one is skincare. So let's first talk about this body wash, which is from Plum. Again, a very much hyped product. I saw so many ads again on Instagram and I was so tempted. I'm not gonna lie, like I was so tempted to get this. I saw so many people like I follow, like they talk about this and how amazing they are. And honestly, I was tempted just by that. And anyways, I'm a sucker for body care products, so I went ahead and got this. So this is the Plum body loving shower gel. This is in the variant Hawaiian Rumba. Like they have many flavors, scents in this, and this one attracted me the most because this is like just up my alley. This is like a fresh, like a vacation beachy sort of a smell, and I really like those kind of fragrances. And oh my god, as you can see, I've used it so much. Again, I've not used this so much because I have other body washes to use also. But again, body washes is something which you can tell from the first time you use it, like how good they are. Even though I have other body washes, I just am so much drawn towards this. Every time I take a shower, I feel I used to reach out to for this so much just for the fragrance. I'm not gonna lie, oh my god, the fragrance is so fab. It's like fresh, it's sweet, smells like it feels you're gonna feel like you're in a beach, you're in a vacation. It's that good. It's very tropical, you know, as the name says. And oh my god, look at the packaging. It's so cute. I love the packaging. And also this has like a very unique kind of a pump. Best thing that I like about this is honestly the fragrance of this. Again, like it cleans my body, which a body wash should do. So yeah, it cleans the body, it moisturizes my body. It smells amazing after you use this. And yeah, I feel like body washes are mainly again feel good products. If it makes you feel good, thus because of this, mainly because of the smell, then I think it's a win-win. I know I'm saying this for almost every product, but I feel like they are so good. I feel like I've gotten lucky this time. Like I don't think there was a product that was like a major feel. I have like different opinions, different good opinions about every product because they actually really worked for me. So yeah, this was again worth every hype. A win-win, a thumbs up from my side. Okay, the last product that I have is a skincare product, and this is like a face scrub. Now this is not, I don't think, now this is not as much hype as the rest of the one, but I was really looking for like a new face scrub. I have used the M Caffeine one, the coffee scrub, which I love. You guys know. So I went on Amazon and I looked for face scrubs, and this was the one which had like most number of reviews and most, but this is like a gem that I found. Okay, so so this is the St. Ives, whatever you wanna call it, St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. There were so many variants in this, again like coffee, like so many other variants which I forgot, but I got the apricot one. Then this was like on the go sort of a purchase. I did for I think, I don't remember how much is this for, but I feel like I think this was for around 300 something, which I feel is a little bit expensive for a scrub, you know, but the quantity you get is amazing. The smell is so fresh, fruity kind of a smell. And I am not gonna lie, I've used it twice, and I've used it twice until now, and you can tell from the first time when you use a scrub, When I use this scrub, consistency of this is creamy base, which has like the granules are not very big, not very small, it's like medium. The granules are a little bit smaller than the M caffeine one. The M caffeine one has a little bit like big granules, but this one is a little bit smaller than that. And oh my god, like when I used this on my face and when I wash my face, oh my god, my skin has never felt so soft. That is what scrubs are supposed to do. So yeah, I really like this. It made my skin so clean, so soft, like very deep clean, like very soft. Like the main point I would like to say, it's gonna make your skin very soft. So if you're like me looking for like a new scrub, I feel the body care products from this brand are like really popular. But skincare I'm not really, but yeah, this was like an amazing find. And yeah, I would highly recommend this, and this is like a thumbs up from my side again. And yeah, that is it. Those were all of the products that I had to share my views, my thoughts on. I hope you find this helpful. I hope you found this interesting, like something different. My dog is barking, something different. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Follow me on the Instagram. I'm like super active there, so definitely follow me on Instagram. All of the links and everything of these products will be in the description box below, the prices and everything. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. With that, it's a wrap for today. I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.